Up to putting on the fresh livery that we also are going to reveal here in Greece. Pretty pumped. So this side pretty much done. A few more little logos to go, but after the response and look of Humble that we revealed at Tokyo Drift, I'm like, man, we got to do the same livery on Bullet. So fresh livery. So we landed last night and then straight into it. So we're wrapping all the matte black, all the red, and now just putting the logos over one side to go. These guys are just doing a few things. We had FIA because one of the projects we're doing here in Greece, we're doing an FIA hill climb. So we had FIA have to come and just check over the car this morning. Good to go. Just got to make some door cards. So the boys are making some door cards for it. That's the only thing we had to change. Yep, some stickers and then full send. We're in Titakis. Titakis, it looks like a workshop. It's actually a winery. Like if you just come and have a little sneak peek. So it's a winery, and these guys love racing cars. So obviously they've got a lot of trophies. They race rally up here, and they're going to give us a bit of a tour later this afternoon. Well, they want to give us a tour this morning. I'm like, man, let's just get the car done, and once the car's done, then we'll go. And Quado's pumped. He's like, this is my dream shop, wine and a workshop. But now with the matte black, gloss black, matte black wheels, the wrap, matte red on the front, that's given it like a way more tough, staunch look, I reckon. So yeah, looking forward to seeing it out in the sunlight. Kalimera! We are at the first stop here in Greece. This is Crete. So we've got nearly 3 weeks of activations here. Boys are just getting Bullet finished off. Track is now live, so we've got a little track layout here. It's like a big port dock. We had a couple of big cruise ships here yesterday. So we're making the most of the area we've got. We've got some of the local drifters, the top guys here. We've got Abdo Fagali from Lebanon. We've also got Nati as well from Red Bull. So yeah, it should be fun. We've got a team drift format. We're going to pick out our teams, and it's triple run. We're not trying to beat the guy that we're battling or the girl that we're battling. It's 3 against the rest. So yeah, it should be a fun format. Go send it. Sick. It's tight, like it's real tight. This car's so long. The thing with this car in photos, it looks small because it looks like a little 4-door hatchback, but it's the longest wheelbase of the lot. 112-inch wheelbase, which is like 2.8. So yeah, it's a really big car in a tight spot like this. That's good. We're just water temp rise 140 degrees. I know when we did Pikes Peak we're 132 degrees, but there's just no airflow. This car's obviously, everything's designed to be going fast and getting that airflow rammed in so that it usually gets sucked in through here. But obviously with the slow speeds in here, just getting no airflow, so yeah, oil and water temps are through the roof. Fortunately we got Mobile One for, doesn't mind the hot temps. But yeah, set of Toyos and like 2 laps, so that's a bit of a concern. Because this is the first event we're here in Crete of nearly 3 weeks of activations here while we're in Greece. We've got a lot of tyres, but at the same time we don't want to smoke through them all at the first event. So. Yeah, it's our team. Yeah.
It's our big honor to be with
Yeah.
you.
Well, it's been following me since, how old were you?
I was like, I don't remember, 7 years old.
Wow, that's so cool. So you've been drifting for 15 years
15
maybe?
years.
Yes, sick. That's cool. Inspiring to chase the dream and drifting. And now we get to battle.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so sick.
It's
But
awesome.
we're battling, but we're actually a team. So
Yeah.
the way this works is we've got a team of 3, and it's up to us to showcase the best precision driving working together rather than trying to your typical tandem format where you do a lead run and a chase run. We are going to work together. We've got 3 teams. Natalie's got a team, Abdo Fagali's got a team, and I got a team. So it's going to be really fun. The judges are going to be the grandstand. So yeah, cool, different format, and we get to burn rubber and entertain. After watching my team, I got a lot of pressure to lead them around. No, we got a strong team. I just got to really think about this. Hey, we got a first practice run with a tandem. Right, that's not tandem. That's 3. That's as slow as I could go. Ball tires and on the brakes. I felt he was there, so I think that's like good speed.
How was coolant?
Cooler, heaps better.
Oh, sounds good. Sounds
It's like trying to figure out hard cut, soft cut. but-
yeah, it sounds like a hard guy.
Yeah, of course, the pops and the bangs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go hard cut.
Okay.
Quattro likes the hard cut. We're running hard cut. Pops and bangs. Got the boss here, you know. Get my hat delivered. That's good, bro.
Thank you very much for the experience.
The best part was he said this was a dream to be able to meet me, and the best part about it, he actually got to take me for a ride. So really cool. Inspired for a long time to go drifting, and then yeah, I wish you all the best. I won't say good luck because I don't believe in luck.
Thank you very much.
Go full send, bro. Do what you do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And you. Yeah. That's mine. Oh my God, Stavros! Yeah, Stavros, it's your God! Yeah, this is really cool. So last year we were in Greece. Mega fan and was unable to make it to Athens, and today it's his birthday and was able to make it here and meet me, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, pretty special, because I know that feeling, because I remember when Ken Block lit my candles and gifted me my cake at Tokyo Auto Salon. That was like a milestone freaking moment, so pretty cool. Sometimes the most simple things are just absolute winners.
Next to you, I'm changing.
Yeah, look at this, we got some Mad Lab supporters here.
And you got me right, like right to my core.
Kick this sucker off.
Make me wild.
Brother from another mother.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, live it on.
responsible.
Yeah, man! I think Mike was cheating. As you can see, he's holding the green flag, and this is automatically more votes for him. So I'm going to the court. I'm gonna protest that. Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, so now the real party starts because we're going to get all the cars doing the track at once. It's like 10 cars. I don't think we're going to actually be able to do the figure of 8 because there's a figure of 8 crossover, and even with 3 cars is a challenge. So I don't know what we're going to do, but we'll figure it out. Drifters, this is freestyle.
Mike is always shy to ask me something, you know, but I'm gonna do it without even asking. So that's a souvenir. You know, hope he won't have any shower, in the next week. So let's see.
All of a sudden this arm got really strong. Time is, oh my gosh, it's 8:40. I don't even know. Did you see what time it was when I started?
No. Well, I remember you were still signing.
Well, the sun was up. So
Yeah.
it's gone. But yeah, it's all worth it to be.
The last thing.
Yeah, no, it's
Well, actually,
cool. Yeah, that'll always keep going until we end up back at the hotel. But no, it's really cool. Honestly, Crete has been amazing. This is only the first stop of like 2.5 weeks. I'm going to go back to the hotel, check up on the boys because we're in total time zone difference. So go check out the boys, what they're up to in the Mad Lab, because obviously they're working on the FOS project as much as they can without me there. And then, yeah, we hit the road tomorrow. Big road trip. Boys are just loading up the truck now. And we'll see you back in Greece tomorrow.